appreciate them. See God in them. What God is doing in them, He will multiply it in you. Praise the name of the Lord. Don't be hurt when you see God raising others. Do you know what is envy? Yes. It's when you hurt when others succeed. That when somebody is leading the worship, you are hurt instead of supporting them. We don't compete here. We compliment one another. Where I am weak, my other brother is strong. Praise the name of the Lord. We don't compete. You know, there are some people who will amaze you. They just come in the Lord. They have just arrived. But all of a sudden their gifts are blossoming. Don't be disappointed. You've got yours. You know, the longer you stay with the Lord, the more wisdom you acquire. Those who are forthcoming in the Lord, they might be faster than you. They may be faster than you. They may be having fast legs. But you've got wisdom. Because you've been longer in